Welcome to this computer and Windows 10 and computer channel. And this is a quick video because every time a new feature update is going through your computer, when you're on a network, you're on Wi-Fi or you're connected to the internet, for some reason, a lot of the times the way it's connected changes. It often moves from, because if you're at home, you should be on private network in the settings, but it often changes to a public network. And that can cause issues with certain apps or programs that want to access the internet or the network in a certain way. Also, accessing files within a network, that's another thing that could happen. So make sure that your connection is set to private when you're at home. You know that by right-clicking on the network properties in your taskbar and going to Open Network and Internet Settings. Or you can go to your settings by going to the settings. You will actually have an option that is called Network and Internet. Click there. Here you will see you're connected to the internet. But what you want to see is change connection properties and look at what it says. Does it say you're in a public or a private network? Chances are, if you upgraded to a new version of Windows 10, you might be in a public network. Like I said, for a lot of people that might not do anything, but for some of you out there, that might actually stop your network from, being discovered, your PC being discovered on the network at home or other devices. So it doesn't act in the same way. So make sure you're in a private network when you're at home to have the maximum amount of capabilities. But also at the same time, make sure that you're in a public mode when you are in a public Wi-Fi, for example, because it hides your machine from being discovered by other machines, other devices. So just make sure that you're correctly chosen the type of network that you have. A private network is the one that you have at home that you trust with your own little internet connection. Public network is anywhere that you're in public connected to a network, or even I would actually choose public network even for connecting to a friend's Wi-Fi, for example, just to make sure that your machines stay as invisible as possible. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up, and thank you for watching.